Okay, guys, so I have had iOS 17 for a few hours now, and I'm here to give you my thoughts on this new update, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I want to note is when I installed this update, it like totally reset all the settings on my phone, so I had to go through and just like reset all my settings, so that was somewhat annoying, but honestly, I don't think that was too big of a thing. So the first thing I want to show you guys is in the phone app. So when you go ahead and just open the phone app, you get this new thing called a what is it called? A poster. Sorry, a contact poster. So now this is what it looks like. So it's totally different. This isn't the poster, but this is like what your contact will look like. It's totally different. I honestly think it looks actually really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and enable this. And then there's like either contacts only or always ask. Put in your name. So there's that. Okay, and then edit. Then you can just either have it this as just William and then William B and then obviously accept deny. This one, it's blank, so I don't know why they show it. Then there's these two that I created. This one's for FaceTime and this one's for call. That one's just an extra one. I don't know why they put that in there. And then this is just a blank one that says William that I can't get rid of for some reason. So I usually have it on this one, so I'm going to go ahead and hit done. And then use this photo everywhere, like with the Apple ID, and just stuff like that, like card and contacts. Then hit use. So, and then it's saved. So I think that's like really cool customization. Also, when you like get close to another iPhone, if like you take the two iPhones and just tap, it will share this contact and poster and like your phone number, email, and everything. So honestly, I think that's kind of cool. Just some like little like stuff for like your caller ID. And then the next thing I want to talk about is a new thing called Standby. It is when you place your phone on a wireless charging stand, horizontal or in landscape. You get this new, oh, my camera moved, sorry. Okay, so you get this new lock screen, which I think honestly looks really cool. You can have photos, different style clocks. You can like scroll through the different types of clocks. I'd say this one and this one is my favorite. And then you can have different photos, videos, just different collections. You can like press and hold to customize. And then here you have different widgets, like you have clock widget, weather widget, an unnamed widget. Okay, I'm not sure what widget that is. Contacts. So that's on your left side, and just keeps rotating through all of them. There you go. And then on the left, or I'm sorry, then on the right, you have like the battery percentage, and like you can press and hold. It needs Face ID though. You can press and hold to customize any of these things, like the little widgets that you want. So I just have like reminders. Okay. So like I just have like calendar, and then the battery, photos, calendar, and that just keeps rotating. And so I think I usually have it, you can either set it to be on this one, be on your photos, and you have to like unlock your iPhone to like look at the photos. So I think that's kind of nice to not just some random person can see your photos. And then you have just the clock. So I usually just have it on this one. So I think that's actually, and oh, yeah, sorry. And just to turn it off, you just like rotate your phone into the horizontal, into the regular like upright position. So I think that's kind of a cool thing. So just like a little stand so you can see like the time and everything. So that's like one of the new features that I like really like about iOS 17. And then the next one that I like is within the Messages app. So Messages got a completely new redesign. So like whenever let's just say hi. Okay. So like when you text someone, first of all, when you swipe down, that looks totally different. So you got a complete redesign, and you don't have any more like emojis, like options or anything. You have to press this plus icon. You can get camera, photos, stickers, audio, location, and then if you swipe down, you get more. You can get store, images, Bible, or like if like different apps, emoji, check-in, digital touch, um, and Duolingo, Google Maps, Memoji, just some stuff like that. But like honestly, that just like does not look like Apple to me. Like it looks like some foreign third-party software. Um, but and like there's like some new autocorrect. So there's like some new stuff in the messaging app. One thing that I did notice with the beta, some people were commenting um, in the comments, like when I posted the installing this beta, people were like, don't install it. It's going to destroy your iPhone. So far, it hasn't, which I've been really thankful for that. There's only like that. It takes like forever to send messages, which honestly it did before that, but it's like even slower now. But honestly, I don't think that's really too much of an issue. Like I haven't noticed anything. It's actually like really like a lot faster than it was before. The next new feature is like FaceTime. You can do like the caller ID if you do like a FaceTime with someone, and like you can, let's see, can you do a FaceTime with yourself? No, you can't FaceTime yourself. Okay. Um, but yeah, like there, so you can leave a live voicemail, which I think is kind of cool. So like if you get like, say it's an unknown number and you think either it might be a scam or maybe someone you know who got like a new number, like you can see their voicemail in real time text. And the same with FaceTime. So there's like a few new really helpful features in iOS 17. So yeah, it's been like I just said, like in the beginning of the video, it's been a few days or a few hours, I'm sorry, since I installed this beta. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it for a few more days and I'll make another video. So keep an eye out for that video. And if you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing and I'll catch you in my next video. See you then.